One of the design advantages of Koala Studios is the included adjustable footrest. This allows for a person of most heights to sew in a comfortable position. Paired with our Koala Studio's Sew Comfort Chair, you can position yourself to allow for your hips and knees to rest at a 90-degree angle and prevent any strain to your legs and back when sewing for hours at a time. Install casters to the smaller rounded footrest board in the same way you did on the bottom of your Koala Studio. Place the smaller locking washer on first, then the larger flat washer. Twist by hand, then tighten with a wrench. Slide in place under your Koala Studio and lock the casters to prevent any shifting while you sew. Now it's time to find your most comfortable footrest height. Slide the board in place without feet, or choose from one of our 2-foot height options. Simply insert them into the opening and turn clockwise. Once the feet are installed, just slide the footrest in place on top of the bottom footrest base. If you have any questions, please contact your Koala retailer and they will assist you.